so let's get back to our pulley system. With the pulley system, we're going to follow the first step, which is problem. What is our problem in this scenario? Our problem is we want to lift up something that is very heavy, making use of mechanical advantage to ensure that the actual amount of weight we're pulling at the end is not the same amount as the weight that needs to go up. So the weight of the obstacle or the thing we want to lift is not going to be the same amount of weight we need to pull down. And that is what we call mechanical advantage. Secondly, we're going to do some research about what we want to accomplish with our design. Then we will go on designing our final product. This includes writing down the materials we will need to make the product. Use these ones and we're going to make holes in 2 of them. My bottle caps and put holes through them, and then I use these old styrofoam cups and I use old bottle caps to make like little circles on them, and then I use my scissor and I cut these circles out. And then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to make double, so we're going to make 12 of these ones. Okay, so we're going to use these ones and then a toothpick. And then the bottle cap. So you're going to put 3 of these ones in. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to use the bottle cap. Put it in. And then 2 more. 1. 1. 2. And then here I put 2 of my styrofoam cups together, making use of masking tape, just top to top. As you can see, this was quite a difficult process. Well, not difficult, but a bit more complicated since I was on my own. This, I will just explain that this is a very nice project to do if you're grade 7 class, as I didn't make use of any other materials except the materials I had in my house. So all of these materials are recycled. To make sure that we kind of have a hole on the same kind of, there we go. So press into holes, and then I just use the other side to make it a bit bigger and a bit bigger. Ooh. There we go. Then we're gonna cut 2 straws off here. I already did it. And then we have 2 pieces like this. So, and then you can just put it in there all the way, and this one in all the way. And then you use your little thingy-majingy and you put it in between these 2. To make it even stronger, I would cut these a bit shorter. I think they might be a little bit too long. Cut this one shorter as well. They really don't need to be that big. And here I made use of some recycled rope, and I just rolled it up on my homemade pulley system. You will see later why I decided in my evaluation process to change the type of rope I used, because this one was way too thick. But yeah, here I am rolling it up. into their little places. And there you have it. And then I'm going to take the rope and put it over this one. So there you can see it can pull. Need to get this right. You can see it can pull up. Okay, and then if you obviously want to do it down, you just need to roll it up again. Okay, so when I evaluated my pulley system, I realized that the piece of rope I'm using is way too big, and I need to find a smaller one to make it more efficient. So luckily for me, I've got a mom that collects ropes and all kinds of thingies. So I'm just going to find a piece of rope. That one might be too short. I'm just going to find a piece of rope that's a bit more, as you guys can see, thinner. So maybe I'll just put these ones together to make it work a bit more easier. Okay. And then I just changed my old thicker rope. This is also part of my evaluation process. I changed my thicker rope to a thinner one. And I put it on with masking tape again to ensure that it doesn't come off. And then I just rolled it up. And the thinner ones seem to work a lot better. And guys, I'm proud to say that my pulley system is in fact working. There I'm pulling up the rope and it's pulling up the weight. Great stuff.